Hi guys, how are we doing? So today headwrap is different from the other one that I've been doing. You surely love it, guys. So I'm just trying to put a two-step to the front. So I'm trying to arrange it very well. After that, we had to use a rubber band to bound the back. You see, to bound the back, band it together. Yeah. So guys, if you have not followed me on my Facebook page, please try to do so. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, please subscribe. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And if today is your first time seeing my video, please guys subscribe and also turn on your notification bell so that anytime I'm uploading new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So that place now we have to do what, lay it and try to bring out little step. So I just want to try to get fish shape to the front, you can see. So that place that I hold now, we use pin. I want to use pin to pin that place down. So I've pinned it down. So, and I still discovered that there's two space at the front there. So that's why I'm arranging it. You can see that I'm arranging it. So guys, after that front, I use pin to pin that place also. Then rubber band to band that front together where I pinned it. So just bring out little so then band it together. This one is very easy. This headwrap is very easy to grab. Yeah. So because some have DM me that there is one headwrap that I make and they are trying to do it and they didn't get it. If you want to try any headwrap, don't be in haste. You try it first day, you didn't get it, make sure you try it the second day, the third day, definitely you will do what, you will get it. So remember that hand now after tying it. So we have to use that hand to cover it like this. Yes, then pin it down at the back. Use the pin to pin it down. So guys, we are almost done. I'm just trying to pin the back. So now to adjust it so that we can get the perfect shape of it. You can see guys. Yeah, you see now. See, so quick, and it look beautiful. Yeah, it look beautiful. So like this one now, you want to try, you don't do what, if you try it a day now you don't get it, make sure you do what, you still try it another day. So guys, look at the back, so I used pin to pin that back down. So see you in my next video, guys. Bye.